This 2019 Jayco White Hawk 29RE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, external shower, air conditioning, leveling jacks, Slideout, awning, TV, smoke detector, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco White Hawk 29RE is 7,315 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.